Come test drive this 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.